Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned company that offers a wide range of architectural and engineering services in Dharamshala. One of the key services provided by the company is land surveying. As a land surveyor in Dharamshala, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate measurements and mapping of land. A land surveyor is responsible for determining the precise boundaries and dimensions of a piece of land. They use specialized equipment such as total stations, GPS receivers, and laser scanners to collect data on the terrain, topography, and features of the land. This information is then used to create detailed maps and plans that are essential for various purposes, including property development, construction projects, and land acquisition. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced land surveyors who are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and technologies. They have a deep understanding of the local regulations and requirements in Dharamshala, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the relevant laws and standards. Whether it is conducting boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction surveys, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's land surveyors in Dharamshala are equipped to handle a wide range of surveying projects. They work closely with clients to understand their specific needs and objectives, ensuring that the surveys are tailored to meet their requirements. By engaging Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as their land surveyor in Dharamshala, clients can expect accurate and reliable surveying services that adhere to the highest professional standards. The company's commitment to excellence, combined with their extensive knowledge and expertise in land surveying, makes them a trusted partner for all land-related projects in Dharamshala. If you are in need of a skilled and experienced land surveyor in Dharamshala, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading surveying company in the region, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers comprehensive land surveying services to meet the needs of various industries and individuals. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly qualified and licensed land surveyors who have extensive knowledge and experience in conducting precise surveys. They utilize advanced surveying equipment and techniques to provide accurate measurements and detailed maps. With their expertise, they can accurately determine property boundaries, identify potential issues, and provide valuable insights for your projects. As a reputable land surveying company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to providing exceptional services to their clients. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and reliable results within the agreed-upon timeframe. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet their needs. Whether you need land surveying services for residential